Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll just play around with the content we have created so far, and let's see how they work. Okay, so far we have created these these documents, and if I'll just try to open footer, then copy preview URL, and if I open it, this is the URL which is ending with footer, right? If I open the index URL, copy preview URL, then if you notice, for the footer it was slash footer after the domain, which was ending till dot page, it was footer, but for index it was just the website domain, right? There is nothing called slash index. Let's try with something else. So what I'm going to do, I'll just create a new folder and I will say articles, and inside article I'll create a Google Doc called because it is already shared, the folder I have already shared, that Franklin demo, but it will still ask if you want to share the folder in newly created folder or files. Yes, we need to share, and here I will mention this is my article. Okay, article ICLE. Sorry, I think I clicked somewhere else. Article 1. This is my article 1, and I'll just write article demo. Okay, I created this article. Yes. Okay, if I want to preview it, just a little bit slow, you can click on this, preview it. Okay, and open the URL, and it is working fine, slash article. But what if I just want to access articles? There is nothing, there is no articles here, because if we see under select page, there is no articles page. It's a articles is a folder, right? But what if I try to access /, still 404, right? Now I'll create a new file, again Google Doc, and this time I'll name it as index. And this is the starting point. Okay, I just created it. Yes, it's just created. I will select it, preview it, and we'll notice something when we open this URL. Is it previewed? Index and open URL. Yeah. Now if I try to access this, I'm able to access, but the point to be noticed here is the page which I opened is index, but it's just not ending with index. There is no index here, it's just /. If I try to use index, I'll get 404. This is the index page, and if I try to access index, it's giving me 404, whereas there is another page, article 1. If I try to find article 1, then it is giving me the data. Why? So now the point here to notice is, if you want to access any of the page, the main page, then the starting point is index, which will always be accessible through /. Okay, so if you want to access articles / then we need to create an index file where we'll keep the content, and that is the starting point basically. Okay, if you want to access any of the page, then you'll just access it without /. If we'll try to access again, we'll get the 404, because right now what it is trying, there should be something called within article 1, which is a folder, there should be an index. That is what it is trying. So whenever we will design the structure of your website, always keep in this thing in mind. If the URL is ending with /, that means this project, the structure is designed in such a way it will try to find a file index, and the content will be rendered accordingly. That's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching.